How to access age-restricted Discord on iOS. Let's jump right into the steps. Go ahead and open Discord on your phone, then tap on 3 horizontal lines on the top left corner, then tap on smile-like option in the bottom right corner. And when you go to privacy and safety, you will not see the option of age restriction. So what you want to do next is open your Safari and then in the search bar search for Discord, but do not search for discord.com. Only type Discord and then tap on Go. Now you do not want to open the very first link, you want to scroll down, tap on this very link here which is discordapp.com. You want to tap on it and log into your Discord here. Now what you want to do here is you want to tap on 3 horizontal lines on the top left corner and then you want to tap on settings which is on the bottom right corner. That is a gear icon that is in bottom right corner. You want to tap on it. Tap on privacy and safety here. After some time you will see this page where you will see allow access to age restricted servers on iOS. You simply have to turn on that toggle button, and that is how you can access age restricted Discord on iOS. I really hope this video helped you out. Thank you so much for watching till the very end.